Say hi, Frankie. Say hi. Howdy, everyone. Welcome back. Today we're going to do something really simple. We're going to roast these raw pumpkin seeds. This is just my absolute favorite way that I found that I like to do these. But first, we just wanted to say hi to Frankie. Say hi, Frankie. You good boy, huh? Silly boy. But mommy has to put me down because she's gonna cook with food and I can't be in my fur all over the place. Okay, so we're gonna go. Off you go. There you go. All right, good boy. You silly dog. I better do what I always do. Safety first. Wash my hands. All right. Gotta make sure to stay clean since I touched Frankie and he's got fur all over him. He's a good boy though. Yeah. All right, here we go. Nice and clean. And all clean. All right, so I cut it open. And I'm just gonna dump them on this cookie sheet. Yay. And then just kind of flatten them out. No special, like, whatever. Just kind of spread it out just so you'll see what I'm gonna do. All right, what I have here is I have salt, just a little bit of salt. And I really like this a lot. I like it a lot. This is sesame oil. And all I do is I kind of pour it all over whatever, however you feel you like a lot of flavor or don't like a whole lot of flavor, and then don't put a whole lot on there. So that's all we're doing. And then I'm gonna take and just kind of mix them up because I want to make sure. My personal preference is that they're all covered as much as possible. So I'm just going to gently stir them up and try to cover them all. The sesame oil, the reason why I like it is because I kind of like the little smoky flavor that it gives out. It's not very strong flavor. To me, it's just right. That's my personal preference. You don't have to use sesame oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil, whatever, corn oil, vegetable oil, whatever you guys prefer. Get a little paper towel. Kind of want to wipe the excess off because now you're gonna sprinkle some salt. And what I already did is I already have the grill. Yes, I did say the grill. Because it's hot here and I don't use the oven very much. I use the grill for a lot of this kind of stuff. So, the grill. I already have it turned on, heating up. It's going to be very hot when I go out there and put these on there, but that's okay. Then you just turn the burners down. And these, you'll see, I will have these off the heat. So it's just like an oven. And I really feel that it really works well, and it doesn't take up too much time. Just a little bit of the sesame seed oil, or whatever type of oil you want. Or you don't have to have any on there if you don't want. Now, let's go out to the grill. All right, so the temperature is really high, which is okay. We want it kind of high for right now. And then I just turned one burner off. It's really hot. Woo! Okay, so we have these three on right over here. These three. 1, 2, and 3. I think I want that one down low and that one down low, and I keep the end one on pretty high on the grill. I'm gonna put the seeds right over here. See, they're just gonna be right here. And this acts like an oven. I like it. And I don't heat up my house. Then we close it. And see, it already cooled down some. See if you can see that. It already cooled down some, so that's okay. Look, the seeds. They look good, huh? So a total of an hour and 20 minutes, and they are done. Yummy. Done. Yeah. Stir them up for one last time so you get a good look at them. There you go. So yeah, they're done. I know you guys see some darker ones there, which is okay. I don't mind. It's just because, you know, you don't, like, what do you call it? You don't stir them up the greatest, I guess. So, but I like them. If you want them a little more, the rest of them a little more done, you just gotta go a little longer. But anyway, we got a total of an hour and 20 minutes. So if you are gonna make these, you're gonna want to have a little bit of time in your day. But I really honestly feel that these are better than store-bought. My personal opinion. Hopefully you guys will give it a try. You'll find out that you will like them. Anyway, thank you guys for watching me. I hope you'll try it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye. See you next time.